Hello friends and hi to my girlies. Oh yeah, meet our model for today's tutorial drama. For today's tutorial, we'll be using Darling Bohemia twist. For easy separation, we will dip the hair in water, then afterward use the thumb of our fingers to separate it. So close, no wasting time, feel just pause. Now let's work on the braiding. I section off the hair into 4 sections, making the middle part in the front, in the middle, and the downward part too. I had 4 because with the front I had 2 sections there. With the back part too, I will make another pattern there, so I'll divide this particular hair into 2. For this hairstyle, I will make a box braid at the root of the hair with extension. After then, I make a very tight twist. Tight twist. This time around, the twist has to be tighter than you could ever think about, because the hair and the extension has to entangle with each other. Entanglement. It has to go on here, and you keep repeating that process till you get to the tip of the person's hair. After you are done, here is where you start doing a very loose twist. It's like you don't even need to twist. Don't twist, just move the hair from one side to the other. Keep repeating that process loosely and keep going like that so that your curls will be defined. You know that feeling when you just want your hair to be done but it's not done yet, and you just like, are you done? How many is left? How long do you think it will take? I know we can all relate, but with the front section, on the more serious note, I made a 6 part. I got 6 rows there, and now when we got to this particular part of the hair, okay, here was when she was like, okay, how many is left? So I was like, oh, it's left with just 3, but I knew it was left with just 1. And now she just put her hands on her mouth like, all right, fine. And mind you, this hairstyle took us just like 4 hours, and in the course of that 4 hours, this girl stood up to go and eat, to go and drink, to go and do tell me, who need a model like this more than I could? And by the way, she's my twin sister, so she just know how to stress me. after the stress and everything, imagine I couldn't find my scissors. So I just went into the kitchen. I just went in for the scissors. I know it's not meant to cut hair, but I wasn't getting this. I couldn't find the scissors anywhere. You know, when you're doing your makeup and there's this one brush that you can't find. That happened exactly like that. But hey, this is the hair and this is how it turned out. Oh, now she's happy. See this girl, oh, it's like as if she didn't stress me.